Amigos, son las instrucciones para hoy, el 23 de marzo. Vamos a practicar los mandatos más the commands that we learned yesterday. Make sure you have access to those notes that you took yesterday. Y vamos a leer. You're going to do a reading practice with your commands. So for the leer, you're going to choose which verb best fills in the blank and use it in the ustedes command form. So remember to form your commands, you're going to start with the yo form in present tense, drop that O, and then add the opposite ending. So if it's an AR verb, you're going to use an EN for the ustedes command. If it's an ER or IR verb, you're going to use an AN. So first decide which verb goes in the blank based on what it means: to boil, to mix, to fry, to beat, to go. Which one makes sense to fill in the blank, and then give me the ustedes form. And then again, you can do those twice if you need to. Y luego vamos a practicar mandatos con pronombres specifically. So yesterday we did just mostly practice on just forming our commands. Now we're going to look a little bit deeper into using them with pronouns. So what you're going to do with the go formative is you're going to answer the question. Notice the question is in the present tense yo form. Should I do this action? And you're going to say either yes or no. I'll give you the sí or the no. And you're going to give me the command form of that verb with a pronoun. So in the example, we have pongo el ajo en la cocina. Should I put garlic in the kitchen? And I'm telling you yes. So you're going to put sí, póngalo. You're just filling in the blank here. So notice I give you the sí, notice I give you the period at the end. All I want is the command with a pronoun. So if it's a yes, then that command, that pronoun has to be attached to your command and you need an accent. If it's a no, which we have later down here, that the pronoun needs to come first and then the command form of the verb. So notice in the directions, this one I want affirmative usted. So all of these in this section will be in the usted form and they're all going to be sí. The ones in this section are going to be negative usted, so they're all usted form with no. And again, you're just filling in the blank. So I've given you the no, you give me the no los bata or no las cocine, whatever it might be. And then in this last section here, the next section, you are filling in the blank with the correct pronoun or command with pronoun. So you have multiple choices. Pay attention to where the accents are and where the pronouns are located. And then in this section here, you're giving me ustedes commands. Make sure you read the directions. The ustedes command of the verb in parentheses. And then whatever is underlined is going to change to a pronoun. And if there's anything left, that just stays in your sentence. So for instance, I have comprar la comida en el supermercado, buy the food in the supermarket. I'm going to change comprar to the command form. The ustedes command form, compren, and I'm going to change la comida to a DOP, la, and I'm saying buy it in the supermarket. So comprenla, and then the rest of the sentence stays where as it is, en el supermercado with a period at the end. Most of these will be affirmative unless you see a no, like on numero 18. Then you're going to use negative command sentence structure. So your pronoun is going to go first with no accents. And that's how you'll complete that. Remember, if you're struggling with this, if you're seeing that something's being marked wrong and you just can't figure out why, please email me and I will go back and check it for you. And sometimes it's my answer key that's incorrect. I just was typing too fast and spelled something wrong. So please contact me and let me fix that or let me help you with it before you submit it and turn it in. Because I will go back and change my key eventually. And sometimes that happens and you're putting in the wrong answers and I just want you to know what is the correct answer. All right, and like I said yesterday, I will open up the folders for the rest of this week with the exception of the quiz, and you can work ahead and get that stuff done so you can be ready to enjoy your spring break maybe a little bit early if you would like. Have a great day. Adios.